I just want to show you how each child has a job in the classroom. If you make it where everybody has a job, then it just cuts down on any disruptions, gives everybody the opportunity to participate in the class. And so I wanted you to see, and I rotate these helpers. These helpers are rotated every week. So for one full week, they have this job. So as you can see right here, there's the soap person. They pass out the soap or the sanitizer. There's the line leader. There are two door holders. There's a person that holds the flag for the pledge. There is a calendar. One person puts up the number for the calendar. The other person puts up the day of the week, the days of the week. And then I have the person that does chairs. And then there's somebody who's a substitute. So if somebody is absent, that person will do that person's job. A person that counts boys and girls, someone that's the librarian, and they keep our classroom library nice and neat, and they also take people to the library to return their books. So they have two jobs as the librarian. And then here, this is the greeter. The greeter is a person that actually opens the door. When somebody comes to the classroom door, they will open the door. And then there's a person that is the dry erase board cleaner or eraser. They erase the dry erase boards. And then there's the caboose and the light person. There are two floor people, the floor helpers, and then there is a person that passes out papers. So there are 16 kids in this classroom right now. There are 16 kids, and so each child has a job. They all have a job. They all participate. They know what their job is. They look forward to their particular job. So this is just to give you some ideas of how you can give a job to each child. And I even had second grade, and when I had second grade, I did the same thing. Each child had a different job, had a job to do to help. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.